cooking with Mommy. Big pizza.
Now let's get our ingredients ready. We are using pepperoni, mushroom, mozzarella cheese, spinach, and chicken breast. First, we are going to crumble our mozzarella cheese into small pieces. Next, we are going to start putting pizza sauce on our tortilla skin. And spread the mozzarella cheese on your tortilla pizza.
Mozzarella cheese.
You can add any toppings you like. Since we used a smaller tortilla skin, we have enough ingredients to make several mini pizzas.
Chicken breast.
You can get creative and use different combination of ingredients on your pizza. Place your pizza on a baking sheet and get them ready for the oven. Bake your pizza on 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. Guess it's time to wait for our pizza.
I'm hungry. Oh, dang!
Now it's time for the taste test.
It's so yummy. I love it.
Well, it looks like our picky eater approves.
Oh, dang!
That's it for the recipe, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and we will see you guys next time. Bye!